Sao Paulo is often described as the economic heartbeat of Brazil and one of the most dynamic cities in the world. With a population surpassing 12 million residents within the city proper and over 22 million in the metropolitan area, it ranks among the largest urban centers globally. Its vast size and diversity make it a fascinating mosaic of cultures, industries, and histories. Founded in 1554 by Jesuit priests, Sao Paulo started as a humble mission to convert indigenous peoples. Over the centuries, it transformed from a small settlement into a bustling hub of commerce and industry. The city's early economy was driven by agriculture, especially the cultivation of sugarcane and coffee, which laid the foundation for its rapid growth. As the 19th century progressed, Sao Paulo became a center for coffee production, attracting wealth and immigrants from Europe, particularly Italians, Portuguese, Spaniards, and Germans, who contributed significantly to its cultural fabric. In the early 20th century, Sao Paulo's economy diversified further, becoming a powerhouse of manufacturing, finance, and services. The city's skyline began to change with the construction of modern skyscrapers, such as the iconic Martinelli building and later the Edificio Italia. These structures symbolize Sao Paulo's ambitions and its role as a financial center. Today, the city hosts numerous multinational corporations, a vibrant stock exchange, and a thriving startup scene, making it a focal point for innovation in Latin America. The cultural landscape of Sao Paulo is equally impressive. The city boasts an array of world-class museums, galleries, theaters, and music venues. The Sao Paulo Museum of Art, MASP, with its striking modernist architecture and impressive collection of European and Brazilian art, is a cultural gem. The Ibirapura Park, designed by renowned architects Oscar Niemeyer and Lucio Costa, provides a green oasis amidst urban sprawl, hosting concerts, festivals, and recreational activities. The city's diverse neighborhoods, such as Vila Madalena, with its bohemian vibe, Jardins, known for luxury shopping and dining, and Liberdade, home to the largest Japanese community outside Japan, highlight the multicultural essence of Sao Paulo. Cuisine in Sao Paulo reflects its diversity, offering everything from traditional Brazilian dishes like feijoada and pão de queijo to authentic Italian pizza, Japanese sushi, Lebanese meze, and more. The city's food markets, such as Mercado Municipal, are vibrant places where locals and tourists alike indulge in fresh produce, exotic ingredients, and culinary specialties. Street food vendors serve up acreage, pastel, and coxinha, creating a sensory overload that captures the city's vibrant spirit. Transportation in Sao Paulo is complex, with an extensive network of buses, metro lines, and commuter trains. Despite challenges with traffic congestion, ongoing investments aim to improve mobility, including new metro lines and bus rapid transit systems. The city's international airport, Sao Paulo/Guarulhos Governador André Franco Montoro International Airport, is a major gateway connecting Brazil to North America, Europe, Asia, and other parts of Latin America. Economically, Sao Paulo acts as a financial engine, hosting the Sao Paulo Stock Exchange, B3, which is among the largest in the world. The city is also a center for industries such as automotive manufacturing, technology, fashion, and finance. Its entrepreneurial climate fosters innovation hubs, co-working spaces, and incubators that nurture startups and attract venture capital. Education and research institutions in Sao Paulo are world-renowned. The University of Sao Paulo, USP, founded in 1934, is one of Latin America's top universities, conducting groundbreaking research across fields like medicine, engineering, and social sciences. The city's numerous research centers and think tanks contribute to technological advancements and policy development. Despite its many achievements, Sao Paulo faces challenges typical of megacities. Income inequality is stark, with affluent neighborhoods bordering impoverished areas. The city struggles with pollution, waste management, and social issues such as homelessness and crime. Nonetheless, local government initiatives, community organizations, and civic engagement efforts are continuously working towards sustainable development and social inclusion. The art scene in Sao Paulo is vibrant and diverse. The city hosts countless festivals, including the Sao Paulo Art Biennial, one of the most important contemporary art exhibitions worldwide. Its theaters, like the Municipal Theater, showcase opera, ballet, and classical performances, attracting audiences from across Brazil and beyond. Street art has become an integral part of the city's identity, with murals and graffiti transforming urban spaces into open-air galleries. Sports also play a significant role in Sao Paulo's culture. Football, or soccer, is deeply ingrained in the city's identity, with legendary clubs like Palmeiras, Corinthians, and Sao Paulo FC drawing passionate fans. The city has hosted numerous international sporting events, including matches during the FIFA World Cup and the Olympics, showcasing its capacity to organize large-scale events. Sustainability efforts are increasingly vital as the city grows. Initiatives promoting renewable energy, green building practices, and urban agriculture aim to reduce environmental impact. Projects like bicycle sharing programs and expanded public transit seek to encourage eco-friendly transportation modes, aligning with global urban sustainability trends. In terms of architecture, Sao Paulo features an eclectic mix of styles, from colonial-era churches to modernist masterpieces and contemporary skyscrapers. The city's skyline is constantly evolving, reflecting its ongoing pursuit of progress. The architectural diversity tells a story of its historical layers and aspirations for the future.